Morning. Today we're gonna head down to Portage, Michigan, which is about 3 hours south of here, to go visit Victory 4x4. I'm gonna be picking up a new set of their rock sliders. Those actually mount to the frame of the Tundra, whereas these step bars just kind of screw right up into the body and really don't offer any actual protection when sliding down rocks, which is something we plan to do as we head out west to Colorado and Utah. So they seem like a great option. I'm buying local in the state of Michigan, and let's get down there and pick those things up and give this thing a little more protection.
And then powder coated, and then we make it again. And I'll do all the other ones. Awesome.
All right, fellas, we just picked up these new rock sliders from Victory 4x4. Take a look at these things. Got them strapped down in the truck. Nice logo here. These things definitely look heavy duty. So I'm excited to get back home and get these things on the truck and feel a little more secure as we hit the trail, because as such a long wheelbase the Tundra has, it's totally exposed when you're climbing over some of those ledges like we were doing up on Drummond Island and we plan to do when we go out to Colorado and Utah. So this will at least give me a little bit of peace of mind that if I do end up high centering myself going over a ledge, that at least this Victory 4x4 rock slider will protect the rocker panel underneath the truck. So 3.5 hours back home. It's like 80 degrees outside. Well, gonna head home and get these things Linexed locally and then installed later this week. So, see ya.